Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Looney, and today I want to do a quick video on my entire portfolio. And I'm going to go over my crypto, my options, my stocks, and everything else. But before we get into it, I want to do a quick shout out to the Discord community. It is free to join, and then I also have a premium membership. It's $8 a month, and it gives you my selling options course. I do trade alerts where I give trade callouts. I have one-on-one coaching. I have giveaways running. You can check it out. All links to it will be in the description. But let's get into it. So my account is sitting at 49,000, and on the day I'm pretty much even. I'm only up $27, so basically even. And then on the week, again, pretty neutral, down 157 or 0.32%. And then on the month, I'm up about 1%. I like to get to 4 to 6% per month, and you don't always hit that. But on the 3 months, I'm up 12%. So I'm essentially up 4% per month if we do the average of 3. And then year to date, I am only up 1%. And that's due to that April crash. And since then, I have been able to recover finally. But I'm very curious to see where the rest of the year goes. And then on the year, I am up 23% despite all that volatility. So overall, pretty solid. And then all time, I am up 30%, and I'd like to get to this number a little bit higher, but I don't want to rush things and take bad trades. So I'm trying to be consistent and just build over time. Now, my buying power is at 4,000. It's basically there just for opportunities. I'm not seeing major opportunities to buy into, and I'm just sitting on cash waiting for some kind of crash or just some kind of opportunity, and I will be able to sell options or just simply invest into a position. But that's what that buying power is there for. It's really just to see if any opportunities arise. Now, if we go down to my selling options or my options, it is mainly selling options. I sell cash cleared puts and covered calls. I do have a few spreads and buy calls or leaps, but overall, just simply selling options for the most part. On the week, I am up 2% or 2.5, up $97. On the month, I'm up 720 or about 15%. And then 3 months, up 10%. Year to date, up 19%. On the year, up 21%. And then overall, up 14%. But this number fluctuates because this is all open options or open trades. So I don't really pay attention too much to this, but if you go to my realized profits, I'm up 25% all time. And that's from closing trades for profit. So Mara being my biggest profitable position, up 2,000, but yeah, up 25%. So pretty happy about that. Year to date, up 50%, 3 months, 18, 1 month, up 20. And then the past week, I am down 8% or $65. But that's really my options. If we scroll down to my crypto, I believe, is up next. I kind of skipped ahead, but we can go backwards. All time, I am up 34%, and I do take profit. So this number was a little bit bigger, and I took profit when I see opportunities. And I'm just simply dollar cost averaging into Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Doge, and some other names, but I'm doing small amounts in those. And overall, I don't really care too much in where it fluctuates because I buy every day. And by dollar cost averaging, you do take the emotions out of it, and I'm able to build a long-term position. I do plan to increase the amount I'm putting in, but again, not seeing major opportunity just yet. But all time up 34%, year about 30. Year to date, I am down 31%, so that's pretty interesting. 3 months, I'm up 15%. Past month, down 12%. Past week, I am down 5%, and then today, I am basically even, down 0.5%. Now, after crypto, we do have my stocks, and I'm not going to be able to go over all of them, but I do have a bunch, and I'm really just going to focus on the ones that I'm actively investing into. The other ones, I'm just simply holding, waiting to sell off if I see a good time to sell, and I try to wait till I get like 100% return, somewhere around there, and then I look to sell off these positions. But actively investing, I am investing into Riot, Mara, SoFi, and Hood. And you could see Hood being up 57%, and I put $2 a day. So this is a position I am looking to build. I only have 3 shares, but I am looking to build this into 100 shares or just until I feel it's necessary to stop. So that's one of my big positions, or positions I plan to get big. And then SoFi up 34%, Mara and Riot. I'm looking to acquire more of Mara because I am negative. I'm down 13%, and I'm doing that by selling options. So that's what my selling puts were. But yeah, these other ones, not paying attention to too much. I'm not investing into them anymore. I'm just waiting to sell them off if I see an opportunity. But that is really it. That goes over everything. If you did enjoy this and you want to learn more, you can check it out to the Discord. It's free, and then that premium membership gives you a lot more perks. But until next time, peace.